my name is Thembelihle Mahlangu and I am the founder of Leehle's Crocheteria. We are currently based strictly online. Okay, so what motivated me to start my business is that if COVID has taught us anything, is that all we have is our skills, and if my skill is to crochet, why can I not make a business out of it? Okay, so what we do is that we currently just making handbags, and we are branching into backpacks. We use different types of materials from t-shirt yarn to draw cord to wool. So we're looking into tote bags, handbags, and whatever the business leads us. So what makes us unique is that we use different colors and we use your sustainable material. So our colors are there to make people, allow people to express themselves in however way they feel comfortable and give them a unique sense of style and expression. People can get a hold of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Leehes_Crocheteria, also on WhatsApp. Our number is 067 9665 468. Hi, my name is Leehle Mahlangu and I am a Township Entrepreneur.